Good morning, students. We were doing exercise 7.2. Question number 1 I have explained to you. Now we are doing question number 2. In question number 2, here two triangles are given to us, ART and PEN, and it is given that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. This we want to show here. And he is saying you want to show that these two triangles are congruent. If you have to use for showing this congruency, if you have to use SSS criteria, then you need to show what? If we want to show these two triangles congruent by SSS rule, means all three sides of this triangle should be equal to all three sides of this triangle. So what should, then these three sides should be equal to what? See, AR. This AR should be, if we want this order, then AR should be equal to PE. So answer of this will be PE. RT is second, third. And what is second, third here? EL. Then RT is equal to EL. Third is AT. AT is first, third. PN is first, third. Then AT is equal to PN. So if this will be there, that this AR is equal to PE, RT is equal to EL, AT is equal to PN, then we will say that these triangles are congruent by SSS criteria, congruence criteria. Now second part, he is saying if it is given that angle T is equal to angle N. Second part I am telling you, if we is saying that this angle T is equal to angle N and we want to use here SAS criteria. For second part I want to show SAS criteria. See, this angle is given, means this angle will be the including angle. So these will be the arms. Then RT will be equal to what? EL. RT will be equal to EL. RT is second, third here, EN will be second, third here. Then PN. PN is first, third. So what will be equal to this? 80. If RT is equal to EN, and PN is equal to 80. Then we will say that these triangles are congruent by side angle side. Side angle side. So RT should be equal to EN and PN should be equal to 80. This you can see the order here from here. Now third part. In third part he is saying that if it is given that AT is equal to PN. See what he is saying. The AT is equal to PN. Only this is given to us. And we want to show here ASC criteria. This we want to show. Then what two things should be there? That he is asking. See, one side is given to us. Now this side should be including these angles. See, this side is given, then which angle should be there? This angle should be equal to this angle and this angle should be equal to this angle. Then it will be there angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. So we will say that if we want ASA congruence rule where AT and PN are equal, then angle A should be equal to angle P, angle T should be equal to angle N. And one is given to us. What is given to us? One, that AT is equal to PN given. This is our C part. AT and PN are equal, it is given to us and we want ASC criteria. So angle A should be equal to angle P, angle T should be equal to angle N. Then we will say that these triangles are congruent by ASA criteria. Now let us do question number 3. In question number 3 he is saying that in this figure you have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. Then these steps are there. But what is the reason? We want to show these triangles are congruent. And these are the steps. A PM is equal to QM. PM is equal to QM. How? What is the reason? It is given to us. Here also 2 mark are there. Here also 2 mark are there. So we will write here it is given. Answer of first part is given. Now second part. Angle PMA is equal to PMA is equal to QMA. How they are equal? It is given. Here also mark 2 arc. Here also 2 arc means it is given to us here. Given. AM is equal to AM. AM is coming in this triangle also. AM is coming in this triangle also. AM is equal to AM common. So triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. By what condition? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. By SAS congruence rule. This will be the criteria. Now let us do next question number 4. In question number 4, he is saying in triangle ABC, angle ABC are given to us and triangle PQR, three angles are given. A student says that these triangles are congruent by AAA congruence rule. Is he justified? Why or why not? See, these are two triangles. One is ABC and another is PQR. One is ABC and one is PQR. Angle A is 30, angle P is 30, angle B is 40, angle Q is 40, angle C is 110, angle R is 110. See, these are two triangles and all three angles are equal, and he is asking whether these triangles will be congruent or not. So no side is given to us. So if to construct this triangle we have to take any side, then we can construct this triangle, otherwise not. If only angles are given to us, then we cannot construct the triangle. So if the sides are same, or you can say one side is same. Let us suppose this triangle is on BC and this BC is 3.5 here and here BC is 4.5. Then triangles will not be congruent. If sides are also same, if these triangles are of same side here, or you can take one side is same, then we can say that these triangle will be congruent. Otherwise we cannot say that. If anyone say that all three angles are equal, so triangles will be congruent, then we will say no. See, one triangle is this and one triangle is this. Here angles are 40, 30, 110. Here angles are 30, 40, 110. So these triangles will be congruent? No. All angles are equal but sides are not same. So it depends on the sides also, that if they are in size also they are same, sides are same, then we will say that these triangles will be congruent. If this side is 2.5, this side is also 2.5, then we will say yes, these triangles will be congruent, but not always. So AAA is not congruence rule. Next is question number 5. In question number 5, figures are given to us. Two triangles are there. One is ART and another is WON. Here he is saying that this angle R is equal to angle W. AT is equal to NO. AR is equal to OW. It is given to us. And he is asking triangle RAT is congruent to what? Triangle what? Name we have to think. See what he is saying. In the figure, two triangles are congruent. These triangles are congruent. Here one angle mark, here also one angle mark. Means this angle and this angle are equal. This side and this side are equal. This side is equal to this side. angle side side, and here angle side side. This is not criteria of congruency. One more thing is also given to us, angle T. This angle T is equal to angle N. This is given to us. And one more thing is also given, angle A is equal to angle O. See, these things are given to us. So he is saying RAT is congruent to what? We have to write the order. RAT. RAT. Here so many things are given, you can take any one. What is, we will take angle, side, or you can take angle, side, angle, it is up to you. What is the order here? These triangles are congruent, it is given to us. Only he is asking, he is saying in the given figure two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are marked also. We can write triangle RAT is what? RAT. See here, first angle, one angle mark, here two angle mark, here three angle mark. Then we will also follow the same. One angle mark, then two angle mark, then three angle mark. WON. So this will be the answer, WON. Here these triangles are given that they are congruent. Only we have to write the order. So we have to understand this carefully. RAT. On R only one arc is there of angle. Here two arcs are there. Here three arcs are there. Similarly, I have searched here one arc, two arc, third arc, means WON. Or on the basis of sides also you can search. So answer will be 1. In next question number 6. Here also we have to see the order. Triangle BCA. See this one I am telling you. Second you can do yourself also. Question number 6, first part. He is saying this is B, this is A, this is T, this is C. And here this angle is of 90 degree. Here the one marked. The second side is equal to second side. And this side angle is equal to this angle. And he is saying triangle BCA. Triangle BCA is congruent to what? BCA. See carefully here. BCA. Second to side to first side. Here also second side to first side. BTA. Here will be BTA. This will be the answer. Only he is asking the congruence. Complete the congruence. What will come here? That we have written. Similarly, you can do second part also. We will do question number 9. These are two triangles ABC and PQR, and these triangles are congruent. Name one additional pair of the corresponding parts and what criteria did you use? Here two things are given to us. In these two triangles, see here also two mark are there, here also two mark are there. Means this angle and this angle measure is same. And this angle is of 90 degree, this angle is also of 90 degree. So two angles of this triangle are equal to two angles of this triangle. And he is saying that what should be one more pair so that triangles are congruent. Two angles are there. So if we will take third angle and third angle, then this is not criteria of the congruency. AAA is not congruency rule. What we will take? We will take the side including these angles. And here also side including these two angles. So if BC and QR are equal, if BC is equal to QR, see these two things are given. I have written from figure that in this triangle, angle B is equal to angle Q because both are of 90 degree. Angle C is equal to angle R given. Now he is asking what should be one more pair so that triangles are congruent. So we will write if BC is equal to QR, then triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle PQR. So this is the answer. If BC is equal to QR, then these triangles will be congruent. These things are given to us. Now see here also two triangles are there, and in this triangle AB. See here, first see the angle. Here 90 degree angle, here also 90 degree angle. Here 2 mark are there, here also 2 mark are there. Here this side and this side they are equal. So 2 angles, one side. 2 angles and one side. So means the condition by AAS congruence rule, triangles will be congruent. So we will, how we will write? First we will write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B is equal to angle E, each 90 degree. BC is equal to DE given. Angle A is equal to angle F given. So by AAS triangles are congruent. Okay. Thank you.